Happy Irish Week, everyone. What better way to start our week than with a cocktail that's going to keep us up all week long? Today, we're doing the Nutty Irishman. So for this cocktail, it is going to be a build-in glass. Do not come at me. It is a very cute little mug. It's adorable. Anywho, we're going to need hot coffee. You only need 2 ounces of it, so you don't need a ton, but hot coffee. You're going to need Bailey's Irish Cream. You are also going to need a hazelnut liqueur of your choice, and then you're going to need your favorite brand of Irish whiskey, as well as some nutmeg. And if you have just whipped cream, that works too. I went a little extra, and I actually made my whipped cream from scratch. And don't forget, the ingredients are going to be listed all down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me. To start off, we are going to do 1 full ounce of our Irish cream. Again, go right into the glass with this one. Well, with all of it, actually. Your favorite hazelnut liqueur. Also, we're going to do 1 full ounce of this. And then we're going to do 1 full ounce of our Irish whiskey. And then 2 full ounces of our hot coffee. Now, I will recommend let the coffee cool just a little bit. The jigger is metal, so unless you have a plastic jigger, you are going to burn your fingers. I found this out the hard way. So you'd think that, I'd have a brain, but not today. It's Irish Week. We're not thinking about what hurts us. We're thinking about what we can drink. All right. So now that we're at this point, you can go ahead and give it a quick stir with your stirring spoon just to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated. And then we're going to take, like I said, if you've got just like the, I don't know what I'd call that, the squeezy bottle. Can, that. You have the squeezy can bottle of heavy whipping cream. You most certainly can use that instead. I just went a little extra with this because it's Irish Week, and that's what we're doing today. We're going to go big with this guy. Look at that. Gorgeous. All right. And then to finish it off, let's see if I can get my nutmeg to come out. Give it a nice little sprinkle of nutmeg on top. And there you have it. The Nutty Irishman. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoy the cocktails, enjoy seeing my gorgeous face every day, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you're making the cocktails right along with me. Until the next pour, cheers!